You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. Yes, indeed, this is pronounced in English striped. Now, if you have two P's, S-T-R-P-P-E-D, that would be pronounced stripped, as in stripped naked, or if you strip the walls are stripped from the paint, stripped, alright? But this is come from the word stripe, as in the zebras have stripes, alright? Zebras are striped. So this word is pronounced in English pronunciation, striped. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.